Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Google Drive and share files. So first of all, come to drive.google.com, and on this website we need to sign up here with our Google account or any of the account type you want to use. Once you're on this website, then we need to upload files. So firstly, let's understand how Google Drive works. So basically Google Drive is a website where we can upload our files, documents, PDF, any of the files, and then they will be stored on this website. So basically it works as a cloud service. So whatever you upload here won't take storage on your device. So firstly, to upload any of the file, select new from top left, then select file upload and choose the files or folders you want to upload. So I want to upload these items. I'll select them, then select open, and it will start uploading those files from your computer to Google Drive, and it will take much time depending on your internet speed. So my internet is fast, that's why I can easily upload them within a second. Once the file are uploaded, then we can also share them, but before that I need to refresh my page here, and now as you can see all the files are now uploaded. And in order to share these files, we need to select them first. To select, hold down Ctrl key and select the files you want to share. So I want to select these 5 files. After that, right click on them, then go to share. Under it, again select share, and now it will open this window. Now here we can choose the access. First of all, enter the Gmail address of the person you want to share the file with. I want to share the file with this Gmail account. I'll just select that. You can just repeat the same process for sharing the file with multiple people. On the right side of it, we have this role. So we have 3 roles: viewer, commenter and editor. So I want to give the person access to edit my file, that's why I'll select the editor role. But if you just want him to view your files, then select the viewer option. But I want him to edit the files, for that I'll select editor role as well. Then you can also choose to notify that person. Also enter any of the message you want to give, and then these files will be shared if I select the send option. So this is the process to upload and use Google Drive in your PC or laptop. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.